Hi, my name is Chad McNew, co-owner of Montell Construction, and thank you for joining us on another episode of Montell Makeover in Minutes. We're in Cedar Springs today, taking a look and sitting down with one of our existing customers, Lynette. We just recently completed a beautiful four-season sunroom for her. So for our first time ever, I wanted to introduce her in this beautiful project. So thanks for taking a moment with us today and kind of talking through this. But one of the first questions that I have for you, Lynette, is what was the thought process or the reason behind why you wanted to have us build this room for you and Jerry? What was some of the reasons?
We were looking for the opportunity for complete relaxation.
Yeah.
For finding a spot for serenity.
Yeah.
And to be able to enjoy Mother Nature's gift to us, which is this area.
Yeah. And what a beautiful area it is. You have wetlands back behind. What was intriguing about this style of room, right? Because this is not your conventional room addition. So what features did you appreciate about this style of room versus just another room addition?
The opportunity to have so much glass around us and opening the windows and being able to hear the birds.
Yeah.
And give this one an opportunity to find the bunnies and chipmunks.
That's right.
Which is why we put the lower windows in so that it's at her height.
That's right.
And she appreciates it.
Yeah, I'm sure she does. Now we have glass up top, we have glass mid, we have glass down below. I mean, 95, if not more, % of this room is glass. But not only that, it's double pane glass. So throughout the wintertime, you guys are going to be able to enjoy it very much like you said, the snow. I've had people set up Christmas trees out here. I mean, there's a lot of different options that you have with this. When it's 0 degrees out, you can heat or cool this room to your liking. Is that something that was at the forefront of what you had envisioned? Very
much. Being able to appreciate all the aspects of this room, and one thing that we are very convinced that a television will not come out here because it's perfect conversation.
Yeah, kind of its own little resort, right? Because we all get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life, as the cell phones, the iPads, the TVs, the media. I mean, so what better of a place for you and Jerry to kick back and relax and enjoy that serenity, as you had mentioned.
Yes.
So you won't hurt my feelings too much, but when you hired us, what was your overall experience with us and our team at Montell Construction?
Both Jerry and I are so impressed by the quality of the project, the craftsmanship, the customer satisfaction. It's unsurpassed.
Thank you.
We so appreciate everything that has happened in this project.
Thank you.
There's lots of memories that will be kept in our hearts.
And likewise, and that's why we all do it. So in this project we did, and we'll do a walk around here in just a moment, but we did the sunroom. We did a concrete patio down below.
Yes.
We did a composite staircase with maintenance-free handrails. So I'm excited to show those that are watching the entirety of the project, but from the bottom of our heart, we appreciate the opportunity to serve you, and so that's the first half of our Montell Makeover in Minutes. But thank you, Lynette. I appreciate it very much.
I appreciate that.
So one of the things that I love about this space, as we previously talked about with Lynette, is the ability to enjoy the outdoors with the comforts of indoors. This room is fully insulated, whether it be the ceiling, the floor, the double pane glass with low E and argon gas. A couple of the features, every one of these windows, as you see, will open up 50%, right? So this is one full outlet, and this window will slide open. Okay. Now, you don't have to worry about going through a lock set, because once this window shuts, it self-locks, and you'll hear that click right there. Okay. So most of the time with conventional construction, you're introducing drywall, framing, stick building, but with this is commercial grade building materials. that has a 50-year lifetime warranty on it. So not only that, but it's, as we talked about with Lynette, it's 95% glass or more. So how many days here in Michigan do we have it's too hot, it's too cold, it's too windy, it's raining outside, and then all of a sudden it gets nice out? Well, this allows you to be outdoors while enjoying a controlled environment indoors. So as you noticed, we did glass up above, we did glass mid-grade, and then we did glass knee walls all the way down on the bottom. Full electrical, full flooring that they had picked out. And then as you will follow me around, we'll go ahead and walk downstairs and I'll introduce to you guys the grand staircase that we did. So this staircase, this is the Trex Composite decking system with the Trex Signature Reveal. So this has a 25-year zero maintenance warranty on it. Complete electrical package on the sunroom. So as we come down the stairs here, all of this is, as you've seen in previous videos, this is that same Trex Signature Reveal system, but it's in white instead of the black. This stair system comes down to a colored concrete patio, and what this patio does is it expands your outdoor living space. So we have a controlled environment with the sunroom. Then we have a composite zero maintenance deck system that comes down to a nice colored concrete patio. So this is, when I say colored, this is a color that is integrated into that concrete system, so it doesn't look like your standard sidewalk or your standard driveway. We can go with grays, browns, greens, blues. In this we went with a neutral color of a off-white. Okay, so that way it pulls into the siding and it pulls into the sunroom. But this is yet again another zero maintenance option for people to enjoy it on its perfect days. You're enjoying Mother Nature on its perfect days. On those days where it's, as I said, as it's too hot, too cold, you have the sunroom for that space. But regardless, when it comes springtime after a long winter here in Michigan, you're not coming out and staining your deck. You're not coming out and washing your pavers or weeding your pavers. This is all zero maintenance items brought to you by our entire team at Montell Construction. So I'd like to thank you for watching this video, and that completes another episode of Montell Makeover Minutes. We'll see you next time.